Tama kayo lahat.
Our second runner-up. Third runner-up is candidate number 9. Let's award. May we call one of our Judge Jason San Fernando. Thank you so much. Our second runner-up. Our second runner-up is candidate number. What's your band? It's you, candidate number 4. And to give the award, the sash and the cash prize to awarded by one of our judge, Mr. Harold Fernandez. Hold your hands please, harapan kayo dalawa. Hawakan ang inyong mga kamay. Wow! Feel na feel natin yung pageant dito sa Pilipinas. Ang aking pong unang tatawagin ay siyang first runner-up. Our first runner-up of Mr. Beautiful Man 2025 is candidate number announcement para po sa lahat. Bukas po ang ating video okay challenge na gaganapin po dito po sa Barangay Covered Court ng Barangay Santa Elena. Okay? March 16, 2025, Video Okay Challenge Year 2, 7:30 p.m. First category, 15 years old above, only kabarangay po. Dito lamang po yan sa barangay ng Santa Elena. Ibig sabihin, taga rito lamang po siya sa ating po first category, 15 years old above. And we have runner-up of Balakong Bagayon, Mr. Beautiful Man 2025 candidate number. First runner-up candidate number 1. And our Mr. Beautiful Man 2025, congratulations, candidate number 7. And to give the award to our newly crowned Mr. Beautiful Man, may we call on stage the Punong Barangay Jejun Mago, and of course the committee chair.